Island King Tiki Torch Instructions. Tiki is one of the leading manufacturers of yard torches. It offers many different options and styles of torches, with the Island King Tiki Torch providing a flame up to 5 times larger than a traditional torch. This torch features no touch, no pour technology, making it possible to fill the torch without creating a mess. This torch also acts as a mosquito repellent and can be up and burning in no time. Things you'll need: Tiki torch stand, Tiki torch fuel. Place your Tiki torch stand on the ground. Set the torch into the slot on the stand. Push it down to lock in place. Turn the head of the Tiki torch counterclockwise to remove it. Pour the Tiki torch fuel directly into the oil canister on top of the torch. Reattach the head of the Tiki torch. Turn it clockwise to tighten. Light a match and touch it to the Tiki torch fuel to light the torch. Step back and allow the flame time to form to about 10 inches high. Tips: warnings. Always be careful when dealing with fire. If the flame grows significantly higher than 10 inches, put it out.